Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Standard Chartered to Bank of America in 2025. With the latest updates in banking tech, this process has become faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're sending money for personal reasons, business, or just managing finances across borders, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up with both Standard Chartered and Bank of America. In 2025, most banks have upgraded their apps for seamless transfers, so grab your smartphone or computer and let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Standard Chartered account via their mobile app or website. You'll need your login credentials. Remember to use two-factor authentication for extra security, which is now standard in 2025. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Look for the International Transfer option, as Bank of America is likely in the US. Here, you might see new features like AI-assisted recipient verification to avoid errors. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. For Bank of America, you'll need the account number, routing number, and the recipient's name. Double-check everything. Banks in 2025 use real-time validation to prevent mistakes. Step 4. Select the amount you want to transfer and review any currency exchange rates or fees. Pro tip. With 2025's updated systems, you can often lock in rates instantly to save money on fluctuations. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. You'll get a summary screen. Read it carefully, then authorize with your PIN or biometrics. The transfer might process in minutes thanks to faster networks. After that, head over to your Bank of America app to verify the funds have arrived. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the banks and any international delays. A few quick tips. Always check for transaction fees, which vary by bank, and keep an eye on exchange rates if it's an international move. Security is key, so never share sensitive info. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Standard Chartered to Bank of America in 2025. It's simpler than ever. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.